To me, it's pretty mind-blowing that most people aren't aware of what ChatGPT Voice can now do or haven't tried it. I'm going to show you in the first part of this video how to use it and the fact that it's absolutely free. And in the second part, I'm going to show you a little hack. I reckon 99% of people aren't using it properly. I'm going to show you how to use it to make you more effective, how we should be using it properly. Okay, so part one, to use the voice for free. It's now on desktops, but most of us are not going to be using it like that. We're going to be using it on our mobile phones. So if you can see my screen, I'll pop it up on yours. I go to the app. I then open a new chat, and then I press this black button over here. Now I'm waiting for it to go blue. Still not there. It's been a bit slow. When it goes blue, here we go. Okay. I'm doing a video and I want to introduce myself to everyone here. You know about me through my history. Can you say a little hello to the people on the camera from me, please?
Absolutely. Let's make it engaging. Hello, everyone. I'm here to introduce Jack, a dynamic educator,
Thank you.
AI enthusiast, and the founder of ECMA Tutors.
ECMA? No. Whoa, stop. It's not ECMA, it's ECM Tutors. But anyway, that was pretty good in English. Can we swap it now into Spanish, please? Vamos a hablar en español ahora.
Claro que sí. Se vuelve hacia la cámara. Hola a todos. Permítanme presentarles a Jack, un educador dinámico, entusiasta de la inteligencia artificial y fundador de
Nice, but we've
ECMA
probably got some
Tutors.
French people listening, so can we do it in French?
Bien sûr. Se tourne vers la caméra.
Russian?
Bonjour
Can we
à
do
tous.
Russian?
Конечно. Обращается к камере.
Nice. Chinese?
Здравствуйте. 好的，面向摄像。大家好。
Okay, no, I don't like any of that. Let's go back to English, but I want a really strong London accent.
All right, here we go. Turns to camera. All right,
What do you mean?
everyone,
What do you mean by
let
turns
me
to camera?
introduce-
What's happening there? Turns to camera. Anyway, now can you have English, but with from a Spanish native, so someone who's just learned English, so a strong Spanish accent, maybe mixing in some Spanish words as well.
Of course, adopts a Spanish accent. Hello, everyone. I want to introduce you to Jack. He is a very good teacher and knows a lot about artificial intelligence. Thank you for being here.
That's nice. That's nice. So 95%, 99% of people who are using the voice mode are not using it to the full potential. And the reason being is because they're conditioned on Google and they're thinking of it like a Google. What they're doing is they're impressed with the chatting and they're using it in the car or while they want to learn something. And if they're advanced, they're saying simple things like, explain this concept to me as if I was a 12-year-old. That's great. But we can go a lot further than that. That's still think of it in terms of one-way communication. When it does that, it's going to give you an answer which is essentially just reading from like a Wikipedia page in your style. But the real beauty of this is it's two-way communication. Let me show you how you should be using it to learn things. Okay, I really want to know about the concept of economies of scale in business studies. Can you explain that concept to me really simply, please?
Absolutely. Economies of scale refer to the cost advantages that businesses experience
Whoa,
when
stop.
they increase their...
What do you mean by cost advantages? Let's keep it simple. I don't understand cost advantages.
Got it. Let's simplify. Imagine you have a lemonade stand. If you buy lemons in bulk, you get a discount, making each lemon cheaper.
No,
This
hang on.
means your
What do you mean bulk? Buy lemons in bulk. What do you mean by lemons in bulk?
Buying in bulk means purchasing a large quantity of lemons at once, rather than just a few.
Okay, right, so I get it. So you're telling me that if I buy 10 lemons, it's cheaper than buying one lemon?
Exactly. When you buy 10 lemons, the cost per lemon is cheaper
Hang on,
than
hang
buying
on.
just
No, wait,
one.
hang on. I'm thinking about that. That doesn't make sense. It's not cheaper to buy 10 lemons than buy one lemon. One lemon might cost like €1. 10 lemons is definitely not going to be less than €1.
You're right. The total cost for 10 lemons will be more than for one lemon. What I meant was that the price per lemon is often lower when you buy more at once. For example, one lemon might cost €1, but if you buy 10, you might pay €8 in total, making each lemon 80 cents.
Ah, so it's not the cost that decreases as you buy more, it's the cost of one. How do you say that in like posh words, clever words?
In more formal terms, we'd say the average cost per unit decreases as you buy more. So while the total cost increases with quantity, the cost of each individual item becomes cheaper.
Okay, I've got it. So if I went and owned a restaurant and I bought 100 cans of Coca-Cola, would that be cheaper than buying one can of Coca-Cola?
Yes, exactly. If you bought 100 cans of Coca-Cola for your restaurant, the price per can would likely be cheaper than buying just one can. This is a practical example of economies of scale.
But the price per can, not the actual price that I have to pay. That'd be more, yeah?
Yes, the total amount you pay would be more, but the price per can would be less. So you save money on each can when buying in bulk.